Kazi tutafanya pamoja. Nyinyi mko tayari tufanye hiyo kazi jameni? Let me conclude by saying that I think those are the things I wanted to say. Let me also say this one more thing, that actually two more things. That for us to be able to do this, we must develop two things. We must develop a culture of saving so that we reduce on the money that we borrow. Let me tell you this. We spend close to 800 billion shillings every year in paying monies we borrowed from others. I wish we were paying that 800 billion to Kenyans who have saved, and we are borrowing their money to drive our economy. I promised you that we are going to change the way we are saving. You know? For a very long time, we were saving 200 shillings. A long time, since independence until late last year, 200 shillings per month. Nyinyi mnajua shilingi 200? What can 200 shillings do? 200 shillings. Ati hata mimi rais, mimi na save 200 shillings. Hiyo ni ujinga. Ama ni nini hiyo? So I said we are going to change this. Today, you know, we had a big quarrel with many people, including Atwoli and others, and who. But I told them, look, we must, let me put it this way. Kenya was rated among the countries that are almost at the bottom on matters age-old poverty. Because if you are saving 200 shillings, the day you retire, you will be paid 40,000 or 70,000. 70,000 within 2 weeks, your pesa imeisha, and you go straight into poverty and you die. So what have we done? We changed the law. Now every Kenyan is saving 6% of their earnings, and every employer is also paying 6% of their earnings. I am very confident that in the next 15 years, all the money we are borrowing, we will not be borrowing money from China and this other place and that other place. We will be borrowing money from our own savings. Nyinyi mnanielewa? Imagine for 60 years, we have only saved 320 billion. 60 years, kwa sababu ya kusave 100, sijui 200, sijui ngapi. But the good news, in the next 4 years, maybe less, maybe 3 years and some months, we will have doubled the money we have saved for 60 years. We will double it in 3 years. We have increased, mnataka mnisikize vizuri. We have increased our savings every month from 1.3 billion to 7.5 billion. And there is no miracles required, and there is no magic required. It's just firm, decisive, clear leadership, period. Hakuna miujiza inatakikana. We just need to make the right decisions. The other thing which I want you to help me with is to ask us as Kenyans, the responsibility to build Kenya is ours. We are the people responsible for Kenya. Kenyans are the people responsible for Kenya. This country You have seen the roads in this country. Si wao ndio sasa nyinyi mnafikiri ati Kenya itajengwa na wa Chinese ama itajengwa na wa Marekani? Sisi ndio tutajenga. So tafadhali, you people who have a payslip here, payslip yenu iko na mlolongo ya taxes ama hakuna? Na ni fupi ama ni mrefu? Alafu si mlolongo ya taxes ni mrefu hapa. That is how you build a country, my friends. You don't build a country because of debts. Ati kukopa hapa na kukopa pale. You build your country using your own taxes. So, muniite Zaakayo, muniite nini, lakini tulipe tax tujenge Kenya. Ama mnasemaje? Tuko pamoja? So tafadhali mwambieni wale ndugu zetu wako nyumbani, mwambie hapa mnalipa tax. Na mnalipa tax kwa nchi ambayo si yenu. Ama? Yes. So tufanye hivyo, so that I want to say it is the most patriotic thing to do. It is the biggest defense you have for your independence, is to pay tax and build your country. The assurance I have given the people of Kenya is that their money must be safe. Their money must be used for what it is intended to do. It is even the reason why 2 weeks ago I operationalized the Public Benefits Organizations Act, so that we can get more people even from the civil society wakuja wa supervise wakora, so that kama kuna wakora huko ndani watangazwe, tuwapeleke kotini na tuwafunge, so that Kenya iweze kusonga mbele. That's what I'm saying. Mumenielewa? Hivyo ndio mimi nataka tusaidiane tuchenge Kenya jameni. Tutasaidiana hivyo? Yes, that's how we are going to have a country. That's how we are going to build Kenya. And that is my mission in this great country. I just promise you, mimi nataka niwaahidi tu kitu kimoja. I will make you guys proud. Hiyo nitafanya bidii.